Good morning, dearly beloved. Today we will be having our commissioning and recommissioning under the Commission on Worship. Bago po ako mag-commissioning at recommissioning sa mga dati at sa mga bago po, tatlong salitang ibabahagi ko po sa inyo, mga minamahal kong kapatid, mga liturgical ministers. Unang salita, descent. Pwedeng paulit, descent. Today is the descent of the Holy Spirit at ito'y Pentecost Day. Huwag niyong kakalimutan na lagi kayong kino-commission at nire-recommission every Pentecost Day. Descent of the Holy Spirit. Second word is present. Paulit nga po. First word. Second word, present. Ibig sabihin, nandito po kayo lahat, may present po. Sana walang absent, okay? Pero huwag sana pong matatapos ang pagiging present nyo ngayong araw lang. Sana hindi na po kayo absent kapag schedule nyo na po. Be always present. And another meaning of present is to present. Ibig sabihin, kayo po'y regalo ng ating parokya. First word, descent. Second word, present. And lastly, sent. Paulit nga po. Ibig sabihin, after nito, wag lang kayo makipagsiksikan dito sa loob ng simbahan after mag-serve. You're also needed to serve outside. Hence, you are being sent not only here inside the church, but also outside. Three words. First word, descent. Second word, present. Third word, sent.